After the war with the X-Men is over, a repentant Wonder Man comes to ask forgiveness for turning people against the Avengers. But before the Earth's mightiest heroes can decide what to do with their former ally, they receive a mysterious signal, what seems to be from inner space, an emergency call from an unknown Avenger. So Tony contacts Hank Pym, who was busy with his own experiment, and Tony informs him the whole details about this emergency signal, as someone is using one of their old beacons to try to contact them. Hank quickly did the maths, and he gets shocked as he sees the results, and the equation proves his dead wife, Janet Van Dyne, the Wasp, is still alive as she died during the secret invasion. So Tony calms him down and brings the entire Avengers in that location where the signal is coming from, the place where Janet died. So Iron Man divides the group. He, Captain America, Thor and Hank will go to the Microverse and see what is going on, and the rest of the team will stay here and wait for them. If anything goes wrong, they will be the first to know. So after the sync, the process begins and the device shrinks the 4 heroes and brings them into the Microverse. But as soon as they arrive, they face some problems. Tony's armor isn't working properly, Cap is feeling dizziness, only Thor and Hank are fine, and soon they find themselves in a destroyed city filled with various creatures. And there they find a familiar face. It is Janet. She is really alive. And seeing her friends in excitement, she jumps on them and kisses each and every one, as now she is finally free. Her friends are here to rescue her from this world. But her happiness didn't last long, as right at the time they get caught by an explosion. An army of alien crew arrive at that spot, and Janet informs the team this entire place is ruled by an evil monster, and his name is Lord Goza. He killed everyone who came before him, and he is the one who is hunting her down. So if they want to go home, first they have to take him out. So which part you like the most? Please share them on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.